Hello everyone, this is Petko Alexandrov, and in this video I will show you how to earn some free cryptocurrency on Coinbase, which is a great policy they have, or this is their method to educate the people, and of course at the same time they make the cryptocurrencies more popular. So what they have on the website is the option to learn and earn. Okay, they have these quizzes. For example, I am over Stellar right now, and there is a quiz of 5 questions which I already completed 3, and just before going to the 4th and the 5th one I decided to record a video and show you how that works, because it's pretty cool. I learned about the cryptocurrency, and if I answer correctly on the question, I earn $2 of Stellar, and you see that for the first 3 I already have 75 units, which equals to $6. So this is one of the email. You see what the email says: Coinbase just sent you 25.50 something Stellar Lumens. Okay, and I got 3 of these emails so far because I have answered correctly to the first 3 questions, and I earned $2, but they are in Stellar Lumens. So the first question was, what is Stellar? As you see that there is a short answer: Stellar units, the world's financial infrastructure, so money can flow quickly and cheaply between banks, businesses and people. The second question was, what are Stellar Lumens? The Stellar network has its own cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumen. Lumens facilitate low-cost universal payments on Stellar. And here is the third question. And then I will go to the 4th question and I will show you how it works. So I click on earn $2 of Stellar Lumens, and you see that the lesson starts. So it's a short video, somewhere between 2 and 3 minutes, and below I have the question. So usually what I do before watching the video is I read the question: why would banks and businesses use Stellar? And you see that I have 5 answers that I just quickly go over just to have an idea what are the possible correct and wrong answers. So let me play the video from the beginning. Stay with me here and listen it carefully, because the answer for the question will be inside the video. Okay, let's hear it.
Stellar is a platform that aims to connect banks, businesses, and people far more efficiently than today's financial infrastructure. Let's take a bank, a business, and a person and show you how this works. First up, the bank. This is Main Street Bank. To use the Stellar network, Main Street Bank sets up a Stellar account. Then, using Stellar's built-in tools, the bank hooks its existing infrastructure into the Stellar network. Now the bank can take its real-world assets, like dollars, euros, or pounds, and turn them into Stellar tokens. And their customers can deposit a US dollar in Main Street Bank and get a US dollar token on Stellar in return. All Stellar tokens are exchangeable, and since exchanges happen on the Stellar network, they only take a few seconds and cost a fraction of a penny. Anyone can transfer, store, and trade Stellar tokens, just like Lumens, anywhere on the Stellar network. So now the bank can take a dollar, turn it into a token, transfer it around the world in 2 to 5 seconds, and convert it back to a dollar again. For banks, Stellar makes money transfers fast, simple, and inexpensive. Next up, the business. Let's call it ABC Technologies. ABC makes an app. They want to make it possible for the app's users to buy and sell in-game items with each other using a single currency. To do that, they use Stellar to create a new token called the ABC token. The ABC token is, in effect, a new cryptocurrency running on Stellar. It isn't backed by a real-world dollar like Main Street Banks, but other than that, it acts entirely the same. With Stellar, any business can create new tokens to reward customers and create new economies and markets related to their brands. Finally, we have people. This is Lee. She's a big fan of ABC's app, and she wants to buy a new avatar. Unfortunately, she doesn't have any ABC tokens left. So what does she do? She uses Stellar's built-in marketplace to buy some. Lee has US dollar tokens that she previously bought from Main Street Bank, She transfers those into the ABC app and instantly converts them into ABC tokens to buy her favorite avatar. And if she has some US dollar tokens left over, she can return them to Main Street Bank and get her dollars back right in her bank account. Or she can hang on to them or trade them for another token. Any asset can be turned into a token on Stellar. Traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies, real estate investments. So whether you're a bank, a business, or a person, Stellar makes it possible to quickly and efficiently issue, exchange, and transfer tokens in an entirely new way.
Alright, so this was the video, quite professional by the way, and it gives you a great idea how Stellar is useful to the banks, the businesses, and the people. So let's go through the questions very quickly. Why would banks and businesses use Stellar? To transfer money, to avoid international financial regulations, to maintain full insurance requirements, to issue, exchange, and transfer tokens quickly and efficiently, to replace Amazon Web Services. I think the fourth one is the right answer, and the answer was just at the end in the final words, so let's hear them one more time. Okay.
Stellar makes it possible to quickly and efficiently issue, exchange, and transfer tokens in an entirely new way.
Alright, to issue, exchange, and transfer tokens quickly and efficiently. Let's click on it and we'll see if that is the right answer. Yep, I just earned $2 of Stellar Lumens, and I can go to the next lesson. Lesson number 5, but I won't make this video any longer for you. I will leave the 5th question to you, and of course the first 1, 2, and 3. You can go over them, and let's check if I got a new email. Yep, here it is. Coinbase, you just earned 25.84 of Stellar Lumens, which equals to 333 Bulgarian levs. This is the currency of my account in Coinbase, or in other words, these are $2 in Stellar Lumens. Okay, and they are available in my portfolio. So this is how you can earn free cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, and if I go to portfolio, you will see that I have the Stellar into my portfolio already, so 102, which equals to $8, which is a relatively small amount compared to what I have in this account, but that's a great way to engage and to learn more about each cryptocurrency, how it works, and you will decide what is the potential for that cryptocurrency to get more popular and moreover to be more useful to the world. And the more useful it is, the more the people will be interested, will be buying it, will be developing it, and so on, and you might want to do some bigger investments in this cryptocurrency. Alright, so this is what Coinbase offers as a free videos to learn from, and at the same time they award you with some cryptocurrencies if you listen carefully and if you answer the questions precisely. You will see it straight away in your portfolio, which is awesome. I learned something, and at the same time I earned some free cryptocurrencies just for less than 10 minutes. Alright, thank you very much for watching the video. If you have enjoyed it, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel to get more of our free content on YouTube.